So, hello. I'm just here to showcase the new Dandy's World event, the Halloween event. So, I'm not on PC this time. I'm on mobile, so I can record my voice. So, the first thing I just want to mention is that I turned my app sound to 30 and my voice to 200, so I hope it's easier for you to hear my voice now. If you hear anything extra, then don't mind that. I'm not really here to showcase, I'm just here to do like one solo and just hope I can get to a good floor and to show you some other stuff, like what's new and all that I know about every twisted. It's taking some time to load. I have a lot of friends, so right now I'm pretty sure there is almost 400 sorry about that. I'm sure there is almost 400 people active, 400,000 people active right now. So Dandy's World is back on its legs at least. So let me just play. It's taking its time to load. I'm a pro PC man. Don't judge me by my horrible mobile. Holy shit! What is that? He doesn't have a face. What the fuck? That's actually creepy. Is your face back? Yes. Holy shit, what was that? So this is the new shop. These are some Halloween haunting starring Gaudi and Dandy. I don't know how to pronounce his name. All I know is that he's a child and some of his lore, like he had parents and then he lost his parents, then now he's here. He can't remember his parents, so I guess he has Alzheimer. Celebrates scares with Gaudi. I'm just gonna expect that it's Gaudi. Staff only. Let's read what this says. Sylvester is a ghost that loves to haunt. He specifically loves to haunt armor. He considers himself to one of the strongest toons around. Whether that is true is still up for some debate. I can't read that. Eclipse tries her best to show others that wolves don't often have to be the bad guys in stories. With a kind heart and love for the moon, Eclipse is always open for stargazing with a new friend. Rebecca loves the spooky season. She often helps in making costumes for her friends to enjoy. In her eyes, a big part of the fun is dressing up and showing off your scary flair. Cool. So, let's see. Yeah, I don't have Twisted Bassy. That's kind of embarrassing, but I have high hopes for this Twisted main. This is Eclipse. Whenever she sees you or loses line of sight of you, she does this creepy as cringe as howl. It's just so corny, but I really like it. She's a girl. She's not afraid. Like, I don't know how to describe it. She's not afraid to be herself. That's what I'm trying to say. Gaudi, he needs candy to keep himself calm for some reason. average average child, babe. So if you don't give him candy for too long, he'll just crash out and become this scary ass demon looking thing. Rebecca, her her trinket is the same as all of the other common trinkets. And then there's Sylvester. I thought this set soul driven love, but sorry. A more uncommon twisted. Sylvester is driven by his desire to guard. Often this twisted is seen standing guard by machines. He is slower than most twisteds, but his higher interest time makes him more difficult to lose. 88% of him. Of course I'm coming in. Eclipse. 1.5k pumpkins, 5 or more tunes. I've noticed that the rare always has this kind of requirement: 5 or more tunes, 14 trinkets, and that 100% research on 5 tunes, 3000 pumpkins, 2500 ichor, and 100 research on Gaudi. 300 pumpkins, I'm not buying her. 700 pumpkins, 50% on Gaudi. Passive, you get an extra heart. Rebecca is immune to all applied debuffs. This tune applies a random 20% boost for 15 seconds to all tunes within a range. Has a cooldown of 35. Very cool. 35? That's low. Provides a 20% move boost, speed boost to all players for 5 seconds when the elevator opens and panic mode begins. This tune transforms into a werewolf in blackouts, giving off a glow and gaining 2 stamina stars and a 20% movement speed boost. 3-star skill check, 4-star movement speed, 3-star stamina, 5-star in blackouts, 2-star stealth, and 3-star extraction. 5-star skill check, 4-star speed, 1-star stamina, 1-star stealth, 5-star extraction speed. Damn, what a good distractor for next sector. I mean, he could be a backup, and his abilities are so good. I mean, he's definitely gonna replace Ginger, Bessie, and Astro in the new run metas, like 4 Shelly, 1 Gaudi, and 2 Pebbles, and 1 Sprout. That is going to be the new meta. All 3-star. 5-star skill check, 1-star movement speed, 1-star stamina, 3-star stealth, 5-star extraction speed. Damn. Buy skins. And how can I not buy these two? Oh my god. What the fuck? 600. Oh my god. I can't load. 600 for Scarlet Knight. Ghost. You can see these for yourself. They're just laggy for me. Gossip. For a lot of other, like, I'll jump around from a corner and he'll give it the date. He doesn't gotta pretend about it. And he does that with everyone. I wonder what really scares him. Eclipse is really nice to me, unless it's really dark. When it gets too dark around her, she gets a bit scary. But I think the glow from... Okay, I don't even know. I don't even know how to buy. Should I even buy them? Should I even bother? Like, I'm probably gonna get them soon enough. I should grind for the main. So, Louis, where is he? We're gonna solo. Also, should we just... I'll try my best. I'm not good at mobile, so don't blame my lag. No, like, blame my lag. I'm not that pro at mobile. So, excuse me, I should probably show you my stats. Yeah, cool. Over Roger. I just realized Roger isn't optimized yet. I just realized a lot of tunes aren't optimized. Game by Blush Crunch. I'm not wasting my iCore. I have 3,000 something, but I'm not wasting it here. Excuse me. Holy shit, it's taking so long to load. I don't need speed. I got to floor 10, floor 12 or something with this trinket set without distractor. So, I don't need speed trinkets, it seems. But a lot of other Rogers called me pro today and asked me to teach them my ways, so I'm flattered. Wanted to tell you that. I should probably see if there's any other machine than that one. WC. I don't even know what he's talking about. Yeah, I'm not popping that. There's no other machine to prime. Yay, Speed Candy, my baby girl. Also, I know that the UI is kind of different, and I noticed that this the third heart is beating, even though it's only supposed to beat when I'm on one heart, but it's beating for no reason. So that's a glitch. Please fix that. Also, there's another glitch where it says that the same account was launched from different device. It has been occurring to a few of my friends, and I know that nobody else has my account. Nobody. And either there has been some kind of data thing going on and people have actually gotten their accounts hacked, or it's a glitch where the same account is in two games at once and the teleporter doesn't work properly and you get disconnected. I think that's what's going on, because how in the world do you think that so many people would have their data lost? Or maybe I have some bad omen. If it's happening to you, please just tell me. I think there are a few glitches that need to be fixed, and for me the event was at 12:30 a.m. or 0:30, so I wasn't awake while the event was newly released, so I didn't get to see that many of the glitch. But I heard there was a glitch where the Halloween float didn't even spawn, so that's concerning. I know Cyberhaptic has already said this, or Mexican economy, but since Rocks has been gone, there have been a lot more glitches. I don't mean to say that he was a good person, he was a horrible person, but just pointing a fact out. If I haven't taken a hit yet, do you think I would be good to solo as V? I want my PC back. I wish I had a microphone on my PC, but I'm scared that my parents will think I'm talking to a stranger. There. Alright. Get to elevator. Complete faster. Shit. Fuck. Nobody's nearby. Also, a lot of people just say to turn your camera at a point where you can see everything, but I don't do that. For some reason, I just put my camera at whichever angle is best for me and me feels comfortable rather than actually playing smart. Ooh, jumper cable. Jumper cable. Can't pronounce that. Jumper cable. Punjabi accent is kicking in, isn't it? I ate a burger today, actually, and I ate a pizza, and I got a new bracelet. Fuck, for fuck's sake. I got Glisten so many times today, but in a solo run. I hate Glisten. I hate him. Might as well ignore him. Who cares? Like, it's a solo run. Ooh, 3 at 3 here. I need someone to listen. Oops. I need to get this done. I hate safety machines. Okay, that's new. Fuck, shit. I should, no. I'm not taking that risk anymore. I'm sorry. He walks so weird. I don't know, man. Just. Okay. I'll go do it fast. Thinking about it, I should have swapped out part for pink. Wow. Just wow. PB&J. Wow. Wonderful. A magnifying glass with magnifying glass looks through a magnifying glass. Me neither, bro. If he's there, I see him. A bandage and the other thing Jumper cable. Okay, it's time to leave him be. Goodbye, Glisten. I have to put the elevator now. Oh, fuck you. It's a circle. Just what I wanted. Oh yes, just what I wanted. I'll do this. I'm about to leave you alone. Yes, that's just what I wanted. Just what I needed. Just what I needed. Another fail. I know, right? Who is that? I shouldn't have. I'm sorry. Bro, where is he now? I regret my actions. I regret them so fucking much. He's walking so fast, he's seeing me. Oh, yeah. That's what I get for being overconfident. Why is the loading font so weird? I really hope the notifications don't show. Oh my, what is that? What is that? What even is that? Ew. What color? Looks like Dandy's petals are starting to fade away. What does he look like? He looks normal. I'm doing a what am I saying? I'm doing a Louis Solo instead. I think there's new messages for like the elevator closing. It loaded. Who can it be now? funny. Did you see that? He was like walking into the machine. Hey, please my skill check will be better. Oh, yes. I need some water. Curse you. I should take this on purpose. Get out. I don't even know what I'm gonna draw thumbnail for this. Should I draw Louis? Should I draw? I should draw the Halloween man. Oh, get elevator. Who am I talking to? I'm schizophrenic. Watch some of my other vids. Just saying. Remember to watch my art videos. I really like those. Also remember to watch my Kyoko Girigiri video. I think she's very pretty. Just watch everything. Watch me. Self-promote, self-channel. That's the smartest thing I've ever done. Just 3 days. ठीक है. Again. $3,500. I'm gonna solo one more floor and just end the recording. I'm bored. I never knew it was 40% minus. I actually thought it was 38%. I mean, it's 39.7, but that's almost 40. All 5 of them? One spot? Did I? Okay. What was that? I sometimes surprise myself. Remember that all the machines in the solos are gonna be yours. So just do every single machine. Don't mind if a machine is left untouched, or you have done a little bit of a machine and you're closer to another one now. You can always do that later. No one is going to steal it unless like there's a ghost in your one. I don't even know. A lot of people just get mad at people quote unquote stealing machines when there's no such thing as that. Like, machines were obviously already meant to be shared. Like, do you think there is not a reason why the iCore or tapes are shared? No one really. So, but nowadays people don't get as mad as they used to. So yes, I'm leaving next floor because I'm bored. That's some small skill check. Good. This is my goodbye.